Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to manage form responses in Google Forms. So you've got your Google form and you've added questions to it, and you want to be able to manage the responses to this form as efficiently as possible. If you go up to the top and click on the Responses tab, all right, you're going to have a couple of options. If you click on the little snowman menu, you can decide if you want to get email notifications for new responses. And you might want to do this if you're not really sure how frequently people are going to respond to this, so you don't want to be checking it all the time. If you're going to be using a form for something in class where you know you're going to get 25 different responses all in a short time and you know they're going to be there, maybe you don't need to be notified because then this is just going to jam up your inbox. So make sure you understand when to use email notifications and when not to. If you want to determine what you want to do with those responses, click on Select Destination for Responses, and that is going to be the same as if we just click on Link to Sheets. If we click on Link to Sheets, it gets you the exact same menu. Your two choices are to either create a new spreadsheet, and if so, there will be a default name for that spreadsheet provided. It will typically just be the name of the form followed by responses in parentheses. You can change that so that you can create a new spreadsheet with a different name, or you can select an existing spreadsheet for the form responses. That will be up to you.